So, good evening, everyone. Last class, we discussed about data, IT applications, BA applications, Power BI, Power Platform. This complete understanding I given in the last class. Let me explain. Let me explain previous part once again. No more repetitions. First one, introduction. My name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. And I'm working as a lead consultant. And the duration for the course is 2 months. Daily timing is 1 hour. Timing Monday to Friday classes. Saturday, based on the students' interest, I will take. But there will be a practice session almost on Saturdays. Hands-on live practice session. Sir, I don't have 2 months duration. I want to finish in 1 month. Possible. You can attend my batches parallelly. 2 batches parallelly you attend, you can complete it. Or you can purchase my videos and go for your own self-paced training. If you need fast track or one-on-one, I'm not the trainer, but my institute having trainers. So contact the reception. They will help you on this. They will help you on this. Sir, does Power BI require 2 months duration? Yes, it requires 2 months duration. No doubt in that. It has many components and subsets. And in case people miss those components and subset, the trainers or anyone, it will be completed in 1 month, unless it is not possible. Even a trainer wants to drag, they can drag hardly 2 hours or 3 hours, not more than 2-3 hours. 1 month dragging is not possible. So if anybody interested to learn in detail Power BI, definitely my training is suitable for you. And you want to see in and around in Power BI? Yes. And my training majorly suitable for the people who wants to prepare for interview and who wants to work in the organizations. Not just Power BI relevant real-time environment, all the supporting components knowledge I'm going to give you. All the supporting components knowledge. These are the components I'm going to cover. Power Platform understanding. Because Power BI nowadays part of Power Platform. This understanding I will give you. Power BI desktop and DAX I will explain. Power BI service I will explain. Power BI server I will explain. Page related report building I will explain. And SQL 3 to 4 hours I will cover. MSB cubes I will cover. GitHub practice I will give you, a versioning component. Report testing knowledge I will give you. And 2 near real-time projects, multiple case studies. These all, if you learn properly, thoroughly, you are eligible for maximum opportunities. No doubt in that. And these components not just giving. We will give you good theory, practical material. Daily video you will receive. Whether you attend the session or not, you will receive the video. And the training is fully practical only training. You will be having very good interaction with me. And mock interview is also conducted. Resume preparation I will help you. WhatsApp group also created. FAQ is also discussed. These are all we are providing in a disciplined way, systematically. And the training suitable for the people who wants to try as a Power BI developer plus DAX and SQL in this combination. And the training is suitable for Power BI support resources. The training is suitable for administrators, Power BI admins. You have MSBA knowledge, Tableau knowledge, or Azure knowledge, and you want to try in this combination, yes, you can try. You want to try as a Power BI fresher, no doubt you can try. Synapse and Databricks knowledge we have, and you want to try in the combination, yes, you can try. So there are multiple ways you can try in the market. But my course is suitable to try all these opportunities properly, exclusively suitable. When you go for combination, more than enough. If you go for combination, more than enough, my course. But only the combination part you need to take care of. But alone Power BI also you want to try 100% satisfied. And up to 5 years you can keep after learning this course, up to 5 years. In case you complete the projects which I given, the case studies which I given, you can keep maximum 5 years. But sir, I want to keep more than 5 years in Power BI. Then you need to have modeling knowledge, designing knowledge. It comes up with real-time working experience. 1 or 2 projects end-to-end you work on, then only you get this knowledge. So by learning, it is not possible. By learning, it is not possible. So this is the understanding I given yesterday first, and then I explained this part. You all belong to an environment called Power Platform because you're showing interest for Power BI. What is Power Platform? The platform where we have all low-code components. Power Platform is the platform where we have all low-code components. Without writing much code, you can do the operations here. First one, Power BI. This is the first one. Power BI is the first. I will go to yesterday typed material, typed content. This was the content I typed yesterday. I'm going to the same content. Power Platform. Started with Power BI. What exactly Power BI does? Generate reports or dashboards from data.
Sir, are you sharing screen?
Which is suitable for decision making. What is, yes, madam. Long back I shared.
Okay.
So Power BI generate reports and dashboards from your normal data, which is suitable for decision making. But not much code. The five components, low code components. Next market is Power Platform only. Power Apps. Generate apps, mobile and tab friendly apps with low code. Your mobile and tab friendly apps you want to generate. Whatever the apps we are using in the mobile level, tab level, those you want to generate, you can generate easily by using this topic. Power Automate.
Hi, sir. The desktop scroll bar is blocking the screen. Can you please escape it?
Pardon?
On the screen, the desktop. Apologies.
No problem. No problem. Thank you, sir. So you get many important things, beautiful things. Listen to it properly. Power Automate. Perform set of operations. Set of operations. And run on demand, schedule, or automated. This is Power Automate. Power BI market leader. Power Appset also market leader. Power Automate also market leader. Now Power Pages. Create web pages with low code. You want to create website pages with low code, you can create by using Power Pages. Virtual agent. Create chatbots with low code. So these are the things companies frequently require. Take any organization. They need a website. They need a mobile, a tab-friendly app. They need set of operations implementation component. They need report dashboard generation component. They need chatbots. What do you mean by chatbot? For example, you open our institute website. This is our institute website. In the down, something you are able to see. This is called chatbot. What do you call it? Chatbot. These you want to create easily, quickly, then virtual agent is helpful. This is about Power Platform. You guys entering into Power Platform now using Power BI. So, and your support on the Power Platform is report or dashboard generation from the data. Clear? Right. Now I will start from the basic. What is data? Anything you are able to store is called data. I told you yesterday. We have three types of data in the market. First one, structured data. Second one, semi-structured data. Third one, unstructured data. IRCTC, Book My Show, etc. Data is purely structured. Column by column data available. Semi-structured, log information. Your journal information, event information is semi-structured. Unstructured data, social media, documents, all data is unstructured. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are all working with unstructured data. This one daily we are using. After we wake up, we work with unstructured data only more and more. We see first WhatsApp, we see Facebook. The data is unstructured. And this data used in the IT applications. Again, IT applications majorly two types. You are running a business. You want IT applications. You go for two purposes. One, to run your business smoothly. Those are called transactional applications. Two, you want to analyze the data. Analytical applications. Which applications? Analytical. And you guys decided to provide analytical solution to the organizations. Analytical solutions. So you will take the daily data, the business data, and you will convert into decision-making data. The decision-making data is business intelligent data. So we call BA data. The application which convert this normal data into decision-making data is called BA application. Which application? BA. Business intelligence application. The application which converts normal data into decision-making data. And BA applications. BA applications in the market, two types. Legacy, modern. So this I will explain little better way from our yesterday typed document. This document I type. I will explain. Even today, I explain my details, introduction, what we provide, opportunities. And I started with the data explanation. Storage mode, anyway, you know that there are two types of storage mode, cloud and on-premises. Somebody else storage or within your company storage. And IT application, two types, one for running, one for analysis. Don't worry for the people who are joining today. Yesterday, I explained all this part very clearly. I cannot repeat again. So I'm giving just heads up. I will share you the video, today's video. Kindly go through it to get more knowledge. Complete 1 hour yesterday, only the theoretical part. Right. And right, sir. IT applications. Next. Coming to analysis. Analysis provided using dashboard or report. Report level individual data we present. Detailed data we present. Dashboard level specific subject area data we present. Specific subject area data and limited dashboards. So report for individual operation, detailed data. Dashboard for specific subject area operation and high level data. Next, BI process. So normal data, you want to convert into analytical data. That analytical data usually called as BI data. The process which you follow is called BI process, business intelligence process. It's not possible directly. You cannot convert normal data into decision-making data directly. Please remember this. Compulsory layered approach is required. That layered approach is extracting the data, transforming the data, loading the data, semantic model the data, visualizing the data. This complete part is called as BI process. I will show you graphically the previous picture. This is your business normal data. This is your business intelligent data. And which is presented through report or dashboard. This is a layered approach. First layer ETL, extract, transform, load, which will gather the data. Second layer, huge storage. Third layer, semantic layer, or people say cube layer, where required data we keep, required aggregates we keep, like sum, average, count, etc. Finally, we provide this information to reporting a dashboard. So one layer for gathering, one layer for storing, one layer for cubes, one layer for presentation required. Yesterday it was new, today it is boring. Correct? And initially in the sense 90s to till 2005, companies used multiple tools, multiple setups, multiple resources to perform this end-to-end process. After MSBA released, this was the first BI in the market, available as a suite, and it contained multiple tools. MSBA is the first BI in the market, self-service BI in the market with end-to-end tools. So this is having 3 tools. SSIS is the first tool for ETL process. SSAS is the second tool for analytical process. SSRS is the third tool for reporting process. 3 tools. Please remember. So MSBA is the first BI suite in the market which perform end-to-end BI operation using multiple tools. So only one MSBA developer is sufficient to perform end-to-end BI process. Only one MSBA developer is sufficient. One MSBA developer. And that history also is explained yesterday. MSBA 2005 released. These are the versions. First one 5. It was okay, so. But 2008, from 2008 onwards, MSBA leader in the market. second version, third version, fourth version, fifth version, like these versions. I given 2 links. I asked you to go through the links. If you open it, Microsoft is a leader for the last 15 years. How come? Because MSB brought it. But still, Microsoft designed one more BI. Do you know why? Point number 1, to run along with the market. MSB having features before 2005, and many social media applications like Facebook, Twitter, Google, YouTube, and many even cloud applications available after 2005. So MSB architecture, MSB engines not suitable to work on these kind of applications. So Microsoft decided, why don't we add more power to the existing BI? Existing BI is MSBI. They decided to add more power. That's why powering BI or Power BI. MSBI level not available, Power BI level available. These all features. So 2013 July Power BI announced these all features supported. First point, full support to cloud, not normal. All types of data it can operate. Fully mobile friendly. Customers can use mobiles to see the Power BI reports, dashboards, etc. Embedding also possible. Power BI report adding to Facebook, Twitter, these kind of applications. And some companies asked, hey, you given full support to cloud, but we need on-premises also. So Microsoft given on-premises support as well. They given on-premises support. So within your company, you can install the servers and you can go for report storage, report managing, etc. This is added in 2017. 2013 to till 2017, no on-premises, very advanced level Power BI was available, only cloud. But 2017 only on-premises given. So you can install server, you can keep reports, dashboards in the servers. And on top of all, Power BI very popular in the market, everyone using in the market because of SelfService BI. SelfService BI application to perform end-to-end process. So no need of multiple tools like this in MSBI. No need of multiple individual tools. One Power BI application can perform end-to-end operation. That is Power BI desktop. What do you call it? Power BI desktop. Power Query is a concept which will perform ETL process. Power Pivot is a concept which will perform analysis process. Power View or Map is a concept which will perform reporting operation. So Power BI application having multiple concepts to implement end-to-end. So this storage is not possible. Rest all possible in the Power BI. This is a major reason people purchasing Power BI application and performing end-to-end process. So Power BI will generate a report or dashboard by doing all these operations with its concepts. Understood? That's why it is called a self-service BI application. Okay, that's fine. Sir, I heard about Azure BI. What is that? So Azure is a cloud platform. Let me write here. Azure BI. Azure is a vast cloud platform with multiple services. If you use BI features in the Azure cloud, then it is Azure BI. Then it is Azure BI. Note, no reporting available. Please remember, no reporting available. Again, they need to they need to come to Power BI for reporting. So Azure level, if you perform, Azure is a Microsoft cloud. So there you can perform many operations. If you perform BI operations, then it is Azure BI. Azure BI. Technically, no Azure BI. Technical or Azure BI is not a technical component. It is a logical word, not a technical component. Power BI is a technical component physically available. MSB is a technical component physically available, but Azure BI is not a technical component. In Azure level, if you perform BI operations, then it is called as Azure BI. So what are the operations? Whatever SSI is doing at on-premises, MSB is on-premises component. MSB level, all the components install local server level within the company server level, and we operate in the same server. But Azure level, the same ETL performed by using a component called ADF. Azure Data Factory is a cloud component. The analysis services operations you can perform in the cloud level using Azure analysis services. And there is some more, but no reporting. If they want reporting Azure level, they will come back to Power BI. That is a major reason why we have market level MSBA plus Power BI combination, Azure plus Power BI combination. For MSBA people, Power BI helpful. Azure BI people also Power BI helpful. Understood? Today, one more point I covered, that is Azure BI. Azure BI is not a component, logical word. In case you perform operations in the Azure level, BI operations, then it's called as Azure BI. Example components, ADF is one Azure BI component. Azure Analysis Services is an Azure BI component. Everyone understood? Excellent. Fine, sir. What is the next part? The next part is proving this. Power BI is Power BI announced in 2013 July. It's providing all these features really good. And Power BI level, no version. We have monthly update. What we have? So 2013 July onwards, every month Microsoft giving updates. Why? Continuously they want to capture the market. They want to release the features. That's the reason they have a monthly update. The first BI tool in the market with a monthly update is Power BI. It's very tough job giving every month update. But Microsoft is challenging to the market that will give monthly updates. So what it contains? Monthly update level, latest features, latest cutting edge technology process, latest updates, everything you'll find. There's a major reason Power BI is becoming stronger and stronger. Okay, all together, single line I will conclude what exactly Power BI does. Power BI. Conclusion, and then we go for practice. You can say powering existing BI. Input and output. Input is data, any type. Output is a report or dashboard. So you are going to generate report or dashboard. Power BI does takes data, comma, implements BI process, and generates insights. So what exactly Power BI does? Takes data, implements BI process, and generate insights. Why people prefer Power BI? There should be some reason, right? First reason, mobile friendly. First one, self-service BI. No need of multiple tools to perform end-to-end process. Second one, mobile friendly. Third one, cloud support, full support to cloud. Fourth one, embedding. Fifth one, developer friendly. This is recently added. Own visuals. In case you want to construct own visuals, possible. You want to create own visuals and own features, possible. These are all made Power BI very, very stronger. And on top of it, one more important point, wonderful report and dashboard management capability. Wonderful. No other BA tool has. Take Tableau, ClickView, SSRS, many BA tools available, but no other BA tool has this capability. Wonderful report management, not possible, except Power BI. These are all. Pardon? Yeah, on-premises anyway available, but it's not a highly influencing feature. So what exactly Power BI does, input, output, everything understood? So you guys going to implement this one. Input, output, and this. I will show you now a practical. Before practical, Power BI important components I will explain you. First component, Power BI desktop. This can also be called self-service BI desktop. To perform end-to-end BI operations. What is desktop? In academics, we studied desktop, the graphical area, GUI. Desktop is a GUI interface to perform set of operations. Coming to Power BI desktop, GUI interface to perform set of power features. Remember this point. What is Power BI desktop? Desktop is a place where we perform graphical operations. Power BI desktop, graphically all the operations, power operations. This is the first component. Second, Power BI service, cloud storage area to keep reports, dashboards, and manage. C, Power BI server, on-premise within the company, servers installed and stored on-premises area to keep reports, dashboards, and manage. Third one, Power BI developer to create own visuals and to generate embed codes. You want to you want to add your application to Facebook, Twitter, etc. Then Power BI developer is helpful. What is helpful? Power BI developer. Power BI desktop, Power BI service, Power BI server, Power BI developer. Next, developer. There are a couple of other available. Sorry, report builder. To generate paginated report. Records split into multiple pages and they are printable. That is paginated reporting. Which reporting? Paginated. So these are the important components in the Power BI. Now, what about desktop components? Power BI desktop components. The first one, this one. A, Power Query. B, Power Pivot. C, Power View. Power View means visual generation. D, Power map generation. These are the desktop components available. So some people, due to lack of knowledge, they are saying Power BI components are this. No, these are all the Power BI components, and within the desktop, these components are available. These only performing end-to-end BI operations. What do you mean by end-to-end BI? If you provide data, report, or dashboard, you will get. Shall we see that? Yes. Now I will show you the same concept. One practical, I'm doing it. I want to showing Power BI desktop converting business data into decision-making data with low code. So this is my practical, guys. It will convert your business data into decision-making data with low. This one, managing and all, not explaining, but this one I'm explaining. Now, how to download? Requirements, guys, minimum I'm telling you. Windows 8 or above is good. Minimum 2 GB RAM. Minimum 2 GB RAM. 4 GB recommended. Minimum 2 GHz processor recommended. Minimum 2 GHz. So with these requirements, you can start a Power BI practice. No other great requirements. How to download? Google it, comma. So what's the search word? Search word is Power BI desktop download. Google it, comma, click advanced mode. Note, and current size is 380 MB. 380 MB. Download. What about installation? Very simple. Setup.exe, you go. Next, finish. Next, post installation. Add Power BI desktop icon available on the desktop. Complete spoon feeding way I'm explaining. Google it. What is the search word? Power BI desktop download. Downloads. Microsoft Power BI desktop. Advanced download. See what it is saying? Transforms your data into actionable insights, dashboards, and reports. This is what I told you yesterday, today. Click download. This is a software. Select it. Click next. You can easily follow. You don't worry. 380 MB. So why, sir, you highlighted 380 MB? I will tell you the detailed reason tomorrow. When I started working, the desktop size was 32 MB. 2014, I did POC, proof of concept. That time the size was 32 MB. As features are increasing, size is increasing. Still, Power BI's application size is very less. Fine, sir. You download it. How it looks like. Once you download, it looks like this. How to install, sir? I told you, go to this, next, finish. What happens after installation? You will get a desktop icon like this. So you have software, Power BI desktop software, which is ready to convert your data into insights, data into visuals, decision-making information. Shall we do that? And where is the input? This is my input. My family data is the input. Family expenses. Excel sheet. See this? Excel sheet. After completing this class, open the video, practice. I request everyone, kindly practice this example. So whatever the input file I showed here, Excel file, the same I will share with you. Don't worry. This is the first row. I mentioned one family expense. And second row onwards, I have data. Date-wise, amount, reason, area, location. Lockdown time, my spending was like this. Day-wise spending. For books, some amount, food, some amount, travel, some amount, petrol, some amount, entertainment, some amount. I spent during lockdown. This is my amounts. I want to identify for which reason I spent more money. Books or petrol, entertainment or internet. For which reason I spent less money. My top spendings, my least spendings. Which month I'm having highest spending. Which month I'm having lowest spending. Which location I travel frequently. That I want to analyze. Yes, possible. Move this data to Power BI desktop. So Power BI desktop will give you insights or visuals where you can take decision making. Is it okay? Right, sir. I'm closing it. I will open the Power BI desktop. So this is the first screen you ignore, but powerful screen, not normal screen. And this is called Get Started page. Get Started page. I will explain very clearly tomorrow, and I'm closing it. This is the main interface for us. Look at this, everyone. Main interface. And this interface is color blind friendly interface. That which means color blind people can work. Microsoft proved it. They recruited a couple of colorblind people to work in this Power BI. And end-to-end operation component. So what do you mean by end-to-end? Now your data available. It can bring the data. It can transform the data if it's not good. It can load the data. It can model the data. It can secure the data. It can visualize the data. Finally, the business intelligence data, you will find it. This is end-to-end process. And this is the first operation, second BA. Yeah, these two second. Third BA, fourth BA, fifth BA. End-to-end. And here is the place we do the operation, get data. Here is the place we do the operation, transform data, Here is the place we do operations, modeling the data. Here is the place we go for operations, security and modeling. Last one, reporting here. This is a reporting. If you go back to if you go 5 years back, to implement the same, multiple tools compulsory required. The same process you want to implement, multiple tools compulsory. But after release of Power BI, all are nearby, you can do in a single area. This is a major beautiness. Got it? This is a major beautiness. Why people chasing Power BI? And Power BI got huge market. No need to install multiple tools, technologies, process. Straight away you can use it. And now I'm going to show you in this session how to extract the data. And my data is not good, I know that. So how to transform the data, I'll show you. Modeling, not possible because 2 or more tables required for modeling. You want to establish relationship, minimum 2 required, right? Right now, only 1 available, not possible. That we'll see tomorrow example. So extraction, transformation, I will explain. After that, 4th one also not possible because security. 5th one I will explain. Visualization. So these are the visuals I will take. These are the visuals I will take, and I will go for decision making. 1, 2, 5, I will explain now. Shall we do? So in the complete BI level, 3 BI features I'm going to explain now. Shall I? Right, first get data. Get data. Excel workbook. Get data. Where is the data? Power BI. Come to this. Rajesh, kindly focus on the demo part. At the end of the demo, you can ask all these questions. Don't lose your attention, please. And I'm going to family expenses, my Excel, click open. How I got? Get data. I navigated to Excel. Very simple. Don't worry how I navigated. Just go to your folder and map it. It is showing me the data. I'll go to table. This is the table data. Shall I click load? See, once you get the data, the retrieved object available here.
Can you show once again, sir, please?
So nothing great, madam. You don't worry about navigations. You will come to know very clearly. Daily we are going to work on the same. You feel bored after 2 days, don't worry. But I will show you once again. Simply get data, Excel, because Excel data I want to bring. Excel. I never worked on Excel in the real time. I worked on cubes. I worked on SQL Server database, Teradata database, SAP HANA database, and couple of cloud applications like Snowflake and all. I never worked on Excel. But for your ease of practice, I'm showing Excel. This is the Excel. Open. Select the sheet. Click load. Anything complex?
No, got it. So,
Yeah,
sorry, just one more question. You mentioned cubes. So even the Cognos cube we can import here.
Which one?
You said you have worked on cubes. So even the Cognos cubes you can import here.
You can connect to Cognos Cube. You can connect to Cognos Cube.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Right, sir. Got the table. See, got it. You want to see the data. Just go to this data view. See the data. But something is not correct here. Column headings, if you look at that, not correct. It is supposed to be column heading, which means this file compulsory required. This file compulsory required transformation. Compulsory required transformation. One. Second one, I want month-wise analysis. Which analysis? But where is the month here? Do we have month here? Not available. So from this date, month also I need to take. What I need to take? Month. So month available here. How? Two operations I want to perform. So we need to go to an area called transform area, second area. First area completed. Extraction over. My data need a couple of changes. So I'm going to transform data. Immediately it will open a window. This is the only extra window Power BI has, no other windows. If you want to transform, this is the window. Okay. Look at the data. This is the data. Click on this corner. This is a corner. There is an option here. What is that? Use first row as headers. Yes. See, this is the first row I want to take as header. First row I want to take as header. Click on this. Use first row as header. Ready? One operation over. Second, from this I want to take month. No need to write any code. Click on this. What is this? Add column from examples. It is showing a box here. In this, click on it. It will show you month. End of month. Select one value. Select one value. And then double click here. It will take month. Finally click OK. While practice, you will come to know, don't worry. Month. So 8th month, 7th month, etc. And you want to take this column beginning. You can drag and drop like this, no problem. This is 8th month. This is 7th month. Like this, we do transformations very easily. And once your operations completed, you close it. You go to this, close
We
it.
did not write any logic for month. How is it extracting month?
No, see, we will write a code here called mashup code. That is different. Without that, there's a built-in code available. I used it.
Okay.
In this area, there's a built-in code available. I'm using it now.
Okay.
But in the classroom, I will show. In the classroom, I will show you through coding also. Don't worry.
Okay. So that will go to the date column and extract the month. That function.
Yes, yes. This will go to date and extract only.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Right. For example, day you want day. Click on this. Add a column from examples. It will open this. Select. Click click on this. Day from the date I'm selecting. Earlier month from the day. Right now day from the date. One value you select. Sufficient. Double click. Automatically day will come. Click OK. You want to move first. Right click. Move. Beginning. The column will go to first. See 17th day, 16th day, 19th day, 18th day. Any complexity in operations? If you practice one time, you will remember. Now I want to save the changes and close. Go to this, save, close, save, close. Success. You want to see the data now? Go to this data view, see the data. Headings are proper. Day and month also proper. So as planned, extraction completed, transformation completed, modeling not required because only one available. I will go for analysis. Go to this reporting, these visuals and these columns we use in this area, this and this. Let me take this bar chart. I want to compare. So I'm taking bar chart, bar for comparison. Click on it. Now, something it is showing here. Y-axis. Y-axis means this. X-axis means this. What do you want to take? I will take Y-axis reason because reason analysis. X-axis amount. But looking very small, you want to make it bigger, click on it. Food, travel, entertainment, petrol, internet, books. Food and travel, more money, top 2 spending. Internet and books, least spending, and the 2 values. You are able to compare, you're able to see top and bottom, isn't it? X and Y axis. Sir, how do we come to know? Don't worry, based on the business, you will come to know automatically, otherwise people will guide you. This is only for comparison. But what if I want composition? Pie chart. I want to know for each reason how much percentage of money I spent. This is just money only. But food, how much percentage I spent I want, not value. Then go to pie chart. Pie chart, lesson, reason, value, amount. Focus mode. Food, I spent 50% money. Travel, 28% money. Entertainment, 9% money. Petrol, 6% money, like this. Contribution from each and every reason. One visual. I just want to see the data only. Then go to table visual, table visual, table visual. Take reason, take location, take a amount. Click expand. Reason, location, amount. You want to go back? Go back. This is the way what all the visuals you want, you can take. What all the visuals you want, you can take. Now you want to see the travel locations. You can take a mapping visual like field map or bubble map. Map also you want. Location I'm taking here. Size I will take amount. Location and amount. You can explore bigger. See, location in the location, size in this area. Sorry, amount in the size. Now expand it, you can see better. Visakhapatnam, more money. Vijayawada, medium money. Hyderabad, less money I spent. Geographical locations and values. Is this beautiful? No coding, nothing. You're able to generate mapping visuals easy. But you want to filter based on the month, complete data based on the month. 7th month, spendings and all. 8th month, spendings and all. 7th month, 8th month, spending and all, you want to see. Then go to slicer. This is slicer. Slicer is a filter. Take month. It will show you like this. Explore bigger. Explore bigger. Click on this. Mention, see here. Click on this. Mention list. Only 2 months I have. Go back. So how to do? Go to this. Click on it. List. Now click 7th month. July month. July month business. In July month, travel I spent 40%. Food I spent 34% only. In August month, food 55%. August month. See, like this. If you want to filter the data, you can filter. Like this, we will take multiple visuals, and this area is called Power View area. Which area? Power View. Your customer will go to this area only, customer. And whatever the area we have seen here, this is Power Query area. Which area? Power Query. We did not see today, but this is Power Pivot area. Which area? Power Pivot. These are the three major concepts in the Power BI desktop. Transforming the data, relationships providing, visualization. But developer only take care of it. Developer only take care of it. Customer will view this. But developer components available, customer view also available. So this is called as altogether a desktop document. What do you call it? Desktop document. Let me save it. File menu, save. You're not saving a report, you're saving a document. Click save. I will save under documents, demo information. Vinaytech, Power BI, first demo document on 26/08/2020. This is not a report, this is a document. You don't worry, I will explain in detail in the next session, or kindly go through the video. So many people, they don't know, what do you call this? This is a document, not a report. And in this report, in this document, we need to split this area separate, and we need to share to customers. This area only we need to share to customers. How is it possible? That comes under report management. What do you call it? Report management. For this reason, you need to move to cloud, or you need to move to your on-premises server. Then only you can do that. But are you able to convert your data into decision-making data easily or not? We are able to convert our normal data into decision-making data very easily without writing any code. That's why Power BI desktop is called self-service application. And this is the application you're going to work in the organizations more and more. Shall I close? Close. So where is the document? Go to this.
Sir, which condition using SQL?
I will tell you, sir. Don't worry. I will close in 2 minutes. Don't worry. Later, ask your questions.
Okay.
This is your Power BI document. So today, practically, we created a decision-making document using Power BI desktop. End-to-end operation we perform. Even these concepts I explained. Who all interested to practice? Open the video. However, I practice. First, download it, install it, and use my data and convert visual like above. Is that fine? Right. Sir, fine. I'm able to understand easily. Then what I need to learn if I want to go to job trials, or what you will teach us in the classes. You will need this at the same time, the same thing I will take in the classes. BI environment understanding required. You people belong to business intelligence, reports and dashboards you generate. So BI understanding compulsory. Where I will cover data warehousing fundamental, data mart fundamental, data modeling fundamental. And you are entering into Power BI to learn the Power BI features. So Power BI, all components I will explain, cloud and on-premises. In real time, there is a possibility that you work on databases also. Your input may be database. Today, our input is Excel. Like this, your input may be database. How to bring the data? In case you want to validate the data, database level, how many records available, Power BI level, how many records we got. That validation you want to perform. There we require SQL knowledge. So my recommendation, learn SQL thoroughly, overview, but 7 to 8 topics in detail knowledge. Overview, you get it from my institute or this institute or outside your wish for 1 month learning, and focus on 6 to 7 components or 6 to 7 concepts strongly. And I will take in the class level 3 to 4 hours only SQL. That is not at all sufficient. That is not at all sufficient for interviews. are working in the real time. And these 3 to 4 hours to continue my classes. I can take more time, but it's more like SQL class than Power BI class. Now, Azure or MSBI, this understanding is important. I will give you cube understanding. Even you need to know about this. Power Platform, little understanding compulsory nowadays. I will give you 3 hours timing. I will take 3 hours for Power Platform. So these are all compulsory required if you want to try in the current market. Those all I'm going to provide. But added advantage, if you have some ETL knowledge at this advantage, but not compulsory. Got it? Right, sir. I'm done with the demo. Last class, I covered theoretical demo. Today, I covered partial theoretical and practical demo. And altogether, these are the components I'm going to cover in the next 2 months. And you can understand easily, you don't worry. Daily video you'll receive, proper document you receive, you will understand. Still, you have doubt after watching the video, you can call me at the specified timings, I will help you. Many people calling me and taking my help. Even you can call me. My class duration is 2 months. This is very brief about Power BI components, Power BI features, and Power BI practical.